Turning now to the Supreme Court, the justices just wrapped up oral arguments on whether to uphold broad access to a pill that's commonly used for abortions.
Yeah, the drug in question is called Mifepristone. It's been on the market for really over 2 decades. A group of anti-abortion activists is claiming that the FDA failed to adequately evaluate the pill's safety risks and that its approval should in fact be rolled back. NBC News Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Dilanian joins us now from outside the Supreme Court. Ken, the court, as we know, has a 6-3 conservative majority. So what exactly did we hear during those oral arguments? But also, do we have any sense of which way the justices are leaning right now?
We do, Morgan. It really does appear that a majority of justices are skeptical of the idea of limiting access to this drug based on the concerns of a handful of anti-abortion doctors who said they had conscience objections to treating women who are suffering complications from the drug. And the real big issue that loomed over these oral arguments was the question of standing, whether these plaintiffs were harmed enough to succeed in this case. And even very conservative justices, even Clarence Thomas, appeared to question whether they had the requisite standing, whether they were harmed. And that's a really important principle under Article 3. And a majority appeared to be believing that they did not. Amy Coney Barrett and Neil Gorsuch in particular asked pointed questions along that score, and essentially were raising questions about whether it was appropriate to limit this drug that is used in 60% of abortions. 650,000 women a year take this drug based on the concerns of a handful of doctors. And remember that this case originated with a ruling by a very conservative Donald Trump appointed judge in Amarillo, Texas, and then another ruling by a very conservative Fifth Circuit Appeals Court in Texas. But here at the Supreme Court, it appeared to crash on the shoals of reality because both the FDA and the pharmaceutical industry were very concerned about efforts to limit this drug, and it appears that a majority of justices are now skeptical.
Yeah, I was just going to ask about that because I've heard that the pharma industry was concerned that it could deter innovation since essentially it calls the FDA's drug approval process into question. What kind of precedent, if they did decide that way, what kind of precedent could this set?
Right, Kate, there were concerns that the next lawsuit would be a group of anti-abortion doctors objecting to the use of drugs derived from, say, stem cell research. And it opened the door to a lot of questioning of FDA regulatory approval that is really unprecedented in legal jurisprudence. I mean, the FDA has a very comprehensive system of market surveillance, even after a drug is brought to market, where they are looking for potential harm. And in fact, it was really interesting that the original judge who ruled on this case made his ruling in part based on studies that have since been discredited, that have been withdrawn, alleging harm by this drug that didn't actually exist. That was discussed before the court today. Again, a majority of justices, though, appear not even to get to the merits here. They are held up on this issue of whether the plaintiffs have legal standing, guys.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.